I'm going to take you through a few chest exercises you can do with the body bar. So go ahead and start with your arms open, 90-degree angle on the elbows, and you're going to go directly over the chest. Now your lower body can do a lot of different things. You can challenge the core, you can work the glutes, but I'm going to focus on the upper body. So this is a traditional chest press. Now go ahead and take your hand right in the middle, and now you're doing a chest press with a little bit of balance work. So it's going to change the work in the arms. Now if you take that elbow tap and cross over the body, that's going to strengthen the inner workings of the shoulder. It feels a little weird, but it's absolutely fantastic to strengthen the shoulders. Now, if you like, you can turn the bar and change this into a fly. So I'm going to go ahead, support my head so I can watch you and go for that fly. You can also do the crossover fly all the way across the body, and that is much more challenging. So let's finish off with a nice clean chest press and a throw just for fun. Pop it, come on up, and you are done. You got lots of options when it comes to chest work with the body bar.